thinking, what kind of engineers put something like this together? Because it was absolutely extraordinary, it was. And that's what got me into the thing, because I was determined I was going to find out. I mean, I'd not long been out of the RAF, and my last postings, I'd been on Air Force bases where they were testing the very latest technology in aircraft. And at that time, the aircraft of the time, which were under test, were the Lightning, because it was a Lightning station when I was on, and the Canberra. And that was our most advanced technology at the time. They were only testing them at that time, they test flying them. Now this thing was years and years and years ahead of anything like that. It was no question about it at all. It was something that we hadn't got, and I knew it from the moment I saw it.
Tony, you've now become a fully fledged and widely respected UFO investigator in your own right. But would it be fair to say that your initial broad interest in the UFO subject has focused on two specific areas? I'm thinking particularly about your recent work in abductions and animal mutilations. What is it about these two areas that attracts your interest?
Well, let's be, in the first instance, when I got involved in this business, I had no idea it was going to take me in the direction it did. I've mainly been governed by instances which have come to my notice. And the abduction side of it was when somebody came to me, once again as a policeman, and said that they'd been chased by a helicopter some years ago, and the end product was that they'd ended up with missing time, and they were complaining about the low flying of this helicopter. Well, of course, I checked on this as a policeman and found there was no helicopters, of course, flying at this particular time, and they certainly wouldn't be flying in that location at night because of low, high voltage wire low over the roads. That took me into the abduction side of things, and as things developed, you tend to go, it's like the branches of a tree. You go up the main trunk with your normal UFO work, and you're suddenly led in different directions. All sorts of things are associated with this, as you well know. The animal mutilation started